How to see watch history on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the menu bar from the top right. Go to settings and privacy. After that, you will see the option watch history in content and display section. You should see somewhere around here. So as you can see, I do not have that option yet, but if you do, you will have it in this section of content and display. So that's how you do it. Or go to activity center, and then there you will also be able to find watch history if there is not in the first page. So here you can see my watch history, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.